Hi, I'm Jide Olododo. I'm from Nigeria, and I'll be taking you on setting up a project using Reason as your digital audio workstation. Um, you want to take this very serious because it's the foundation of any project that you're going to be doing every time you're starting a new project. So you want to be careful with it. First of all, I have Reason 5 already open in this place, and once you have a new document open, it comes with this naming convention document 1. If you open another one, it comes with document 2 and the rest. So you want to make sure you avoid these names because it's going to get things mixed up subsequently as you move on. So first of all, when you're about to start your document, when you're about to start your project, I beg your pardon, go to File and you say Save As, and it's going to just pop up, and then you have to first of all give your project a name. So right in my document here, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm just going to name this project DAW, and then I'll open up the folder, and then I'm ready to name my document. Let's say I want this document to say love. That's the name of the project I'm embarking on. And usually all documents, all the file type that is associated directly with Reason is Reason song file or .rns file extension. This is what Reason save. This is the file extension Reason saves its document with. So I'm just going to hit on save, and you discover that my document has actually changed to love.rns, which is a sign that I already have my document saved, and subsequently I can be saving on this to maintain the order. The next thing is that I want to take care of my preferences very well. So I'll click on Edit and then Preferences. From Edit and Preferences, I get the chance to specify other aspects of my preference. Of course, you can set your preferences through your drivers, the drivers of the audio interface, and you can also set it up in the DAW. From here, we'll be able to set up our buffer size and sample rate and even bit depth by clicking on that page here, General. I'll click on Audio, and from here I would set my sample rate to 48,000 Hertz, and then my buffer size, usually I like setting it up to 128, but here I would like to take the minimum because the minimum is no longer 128 sample rate. Here I'll take my minimum here, which is 256. After maintaining this, I want to also make sure that my audio interface actually is recognized, which you can see here that it's already marked as recognized since I'm using the primary sound driver here. I don't have any audio interface plugged to this computer, so I'll be making use of this just for the purpose of explanation. And we are done with the preferences, and then finally talking about file types. Especially when you're exporting your works, you want to make sure you export the right file size. So you click on to do this under File. Let's say we want to export our song as audio file. We'll give it a name, and then we want to make sure that we select waveform, that's .wav, .wav or .aiff, and you are ready to give it a name. Here is going to maintain love, which is the name given to the document, and then you hit on Save. When you hit on Save, it's asking you what sample rate do you want. You choose 48,000 Hertz, and the bit depth you want to make sure you record in 24 bits. And these are very important checklists whenever you are about to set up a project. Thank you very much. I hope you find this useful.